Muhammad Umar Farooq biological video. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Ask the question for answer and comment about the artwork. You can also answer question to each other for solving the problem in the comment below. So today we will discuss about the aging and their causes. What is the aging? When we are going to older, it means we are getting the age. So the aging causes many disease. For example, cardiovascular aging is the type of aging which causes the neurological, cardiovascular, muscle loss. It is caused and less agile. So it means our agility will be lost. So that's all thing is due to the aging. So that is why the basically our muscle loss with the passage of time is due to the this causes. So let's begin to understand about that process, and we will also understand the biochemical reaction and how the aging is caused. So let's begin to understand that is the major causes of aging. So here is a person which that is contain of different aging processes. For example, neurological degeneration, it means the nervous system diminishes, and hair loss is due to the less cell division in our body on the skin, which that is the hair containing cell which that is unable to divide more. So that means the major and simple thing is that the a division of cell will be decreased as compared to the death of the cell. So the death of the cell will be increased while the division of the cell will be decreased, while the death of the cell will be increased. So that's why. On the other hand, DNA methylation, muscle wasting, agility loss, heart disease, and diabetes mellitus 2, and infertility, which that is the cause. Let's begin to understand that here is the blood vessels. So the different type of blood vessel on the basis of age. So the less aging is the flexible. Less aging is containing a flexible and decrease the blood pressure, while the normal aging in the middle is we can say that is the normal, while the aged blood vessel atrophy and rigidity more. So it means the blood pressure will be more, and that's blood pressure cause there many disease. So here is the blood vessel which that contain a red blood cell and many cell, and transport the protein, mineral, vitamin, as well as other immune cells are present in the blood cell. So inside the blood cell, basically blood vessel, so that's inside the blood vessel is epithelial cell, while this is the tunica intima is contain a epithelial cell inside. And so this endothelial cell dysfunction is due to the aging, while the tunica externa and tunica media are present. So the blood flow diminishes and become function not well. So that is why. So the aging process inside of the endothelial cell. So here I am drawing the normal endothelial cell, which that is important character to anti-aging process. What is the meaning of that? Here is the endothelial cell, or you can say that's all cell which contain a same cell which that is normal function. For example, we can stop the aging by exercise, fasting, healthy diet, and some medication. So here I am saying that is the positive effect of the exercise, fasting and healthy diet is the increase of the NAD plus. So what is the meaning of NAD plus? It means the NAD plus is the enzyme which that is coenzyme, and this coenzyme is used for the binding with the enzyme to give the function. So here the SIRT1 is the gene which that factor which that is stimulate the DNA to promote the growth and protein synthesis. So that means the DNA will be going to the produce RNA, and that's RNA by the translation to produce that protein, which that is the building block of our body. So the important thing is that when we will eat the protein and less carbohydrate and fat, we can enhance our aging, our anti-aging process. So that means here is the aged blood vessel. So let's begin to understand what the happening is the aged blood vessel. So the NMN is important compound are present in our body which stimulate the NAD plus. It means the concentration of NAD plus will be increased by naturally. But we will talk about that. That's mice experiment about the aging we will discuss in this diagram. So here is the nucleus which the CYP1 is less. It means the growth promoting protein will be produced less and less growth. Apoptosis of cell death will be increased. So that means NMN in our naturally occurring compound in our body will be decreased. So that means the decrease of the NAD plus coenzyme. So that is the oxidized form of the coenzyme NAD, nicotinamide adenosine diphosphate, or basically. So that is here is a mice which contain a tissue and remove this tissue that show that is the aging in mice. When we will naturally occurring compound also found in the animal, but here is the laboratory experimental produce this NMN compound which inject in the mice, and that means one mice is two mice is contain a similar age, but one mice is treatment with the NMN to go and more active. So it means the aging process we can stop by the NMN drug. So on the other hand, muscle hard and less work, low blood vessel and blood supply diminishes. So it means it's promote the NMN to produce more NADH, and that's NADH also produce the ATP is the functional unit of energy. So that is also produced, and many other enzymatic activity will be enhanced by the NAD plus. So that's repair the quality of muscle and blood supply. So it means the repair of the quality of muscle and blood supply will be due to the NMN. So that's important thing is drug treatment by the aging inhibition in the mice is the experimental verification is done. So NAD plus NADH is basically we will discuss is two type. NADH is crucial coenzyme in making ATP synthesis from the ADP, and it exists in two form in the cell. NAD plus oxidized form coenzyme and NADH reduced forms which that is reduced the electron and proton to become a NADH. So let's begin to understand that is the age prevention regime is here, which that is the diet. Diet is meaning that we will eat good diet. It means less amount of diet but good, and interval of time should be large. So on the other hand, exercise is important thing which that is enhance our NAD plus level. So the exercise is important, which that is a NADH reduced form which convert give the ATP, and it means the NAD plus will convert into the hydrogen separation to oxidized form. So that's thing. On the other hand, fasting and supplementation and medication is the important things to stop aging. So that is the anti-aging process, which that is also supplement is in the form of vitamin as well as resveratrol is important things which that are present in the red wine, but we can also carry from the food, for example fruit, pomegranate or some avocados or some fruit we can search in from the internet. So here is the reactive oxygen species will be produced on the other hand in the mitochondria, and mitochondria will be dysfunction also is due to the less amount of the mitochondria, and increase the mitochondria due to the exercise because our cell is increased for the aerobic respiration. So here the hydrogen peroxide will be produced which that is converted by the metal iron with Fe2 plus which that is produce the ONO reactive oxygen species. This reactive oxygen species is very dangerous in our body. For example, NAD plus is important to reduce the reactive oxygen species. We will discuss later about the reactive oxygen species, but here NADH is reduced from here, which that's convert superoxide to produce here, and that's produce hydroxyl ion, which that is the reactive oxygen species, and number 1 NADH and number 2 NADH will be reduced the hydroxyl ion into the water. So that is NADH oxidase enzyme used for it. So, oxidase is enzyme used for it to reduce the aging, because the reactive oxygen species which inhibit the epigenetics and our DNA will be damaged due to the reactive oxygen species. So that's reactive oxygen species. Here is the oxygen which that's converted by the addition of electron. Addition of electron will become from the muscle breakdown during the exercise or something. So the superoxide will be superoxide radical will be formed, and SOD convert the hydrogen peroxide which that are present in the peroxisome also. So the catalase enzyme to produce water, while the iron metal ion will be converted into the hydroxyl radical which that damage the DNA. Both reactive oxygen species damage the DNA. So these oxidative stress will be occur. What is the oxidative stress? Oxidative stress means the damage DNA and epithelium, as well as cardiovascular disease enhancement due to that activity. On the other hand, the thiol oxidation is give the cellular signaling to the DNA, and that means it gives the cellular signaling is basically, and also give the DNA and cardiovascular disease and epigenetic abnormality according to the environment survivalship, that and micro deletion of chromosome of the telomere. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel, and bye.